Yeah, it's beautiful, man. I shot with a Rwandese director as well.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, Drake.
Cedric.
Oh, Drake.
Cedric, yeah. Every time I come to Rwanda, Cedric does my video. So Cedric shot the video. I love it, man. I hope the people of Rwanda love it as well.
Yeah.
And we're pushing the song as well right now. It's currently charting in Kenya. It's #1 in Kenya. It's #5 in Nigeria. It's #1 in Tanzania. So it's really doing super well. And I'm happy to bring it here, man. So I'm happy I did it in Rwanda.
We know that you are a fashionist, but how did you decide to use that outfit for Motion?
Hey, why not? Motions is global, worldwide. You know, Motions is a beautiful brand. Africans must understand that African designers are designers. The same way you wear Gucci, you wear Prada, you wear African designers. Motions is the same as any global designer I know in terms of quality, in terms of fashion. And the Rwandese elements and details that he puts on his clothes are global. So why not, man? That's my brother, man.
Yeah.
Shout out to Motion.
Let's talk about East African music. You know, we are trying to penetrate to world music.
Yeah.
How do you see the energy? Which effort, what do you think we should add in our effort?
I think we should collaborate more. I think it's more of Bruce Melody working with BN. I think it's more of Tanzania working with Kenya. And the more we collaborate, the more we're going to move. We've seen that's the formula that West Africa has been using. Nigerians have done it. The French side of West Africa do it all the time. So East African artists, let's work together. Let's move together. You know, in Swahili they say kidole kimoja kivunji chawa, to mean one finger can't kill a life. You know, like we need to work together. We need to hold each other's hands.
Then, currently you have a smash hit, which is called Extra Pressure.
Oh yes.
Which is the best song. It's actually big.
Is it big here?
It is big here. So what are your thoughts? How you came up with that tune?
Yeah, that tune, we recorded it, I think, 3 years ago. Yeah, it's not a new song for me. In fact, in my mind, I'd already moved on from it because Ben Soul is one it was supposed to be his album. And even Bruce, when he came to Nairobi, I played for you that song. So I'm just happy, man. It's God's blessings. You know, when you get a hit song, you don't take it for granted. Yeah, it's hard to get a hit song.
How was the vibe in this?
Sometimes you're recording and you think this is a hit song and then it goes nowhere. Sometimes you just record because you're honoring your gift and it just goes to another level. So I'm so blessed, man. I'm so happy. I'm thankful to the fans for accepting the music, for doing the TikTok challenges. You know, I can't do it without you guys, man.
How was the vibe?
Two more questions.
Talking about
I'll take five.
Very fun.
Okay.
The vibe was lit. The vibe is always lit when you're recording.
Talking about the tunes, you have a song that is called Ace Tune. It is one of our physiological songs that you have to play. Does it connect to your separation, the group separation? Do you connect it to Sauti?
Nah, man, no. It's just a song, man, about my life. Listen to my album, Alusa, How You Talk. All the songs are just about my journey and my life. But so this will be a good by the guy.
Specifically to A student?
Yeah, A student is about the education system in Kenya.
Really?
Yes.
So speaking of right now, how is it like Soul Generation progressing? Yeah.
Soul Generation is progressing super well. Our festival, Soul Fest, is happening in December. Soul members are good. I was with them yesterday. We have signed new acts for Soul Generation. We are pivoting also Soul Generation to become a music school. So we're putting in our effort and our money into music education for East Africans to come there and develop talent, and we are investing in the next generation.
Okay, let's talk about the Gen Z, the issue of Kenya.
Yes.
The Gen Z is one of the popular issues today around the world.
Yes.
So what do you think musicians should do to bring peace back to Kenya?
Yes. Kenya is peaceful.
What we see outside is not actually peaceful.
I want people to know that Kenya is peaceful. The government is not doing its job. Yes. You think if Ruto was like Kagame, we'd be complaining? We will not be complaining. We'd be moving on with things. So I think the question is, what can the government do to give Gen Z a good environment for them to be able to grow their gifts, their minds, their ideas, and to move them to the next level?
And where is your position?
I'm with the people. Artists must always be with the people.
Let
me take a question from somebody else.
You did a song with a Bruce Melody and to shoot a video. What do you think it would add to your career?
Bruce Melody is a Shaggy. So if I do a song with Bruce Melody, you know, I was in Sauti Sol, I was in a group. The group is big, but for BN, I'm starting my career afresh. So this is a big deal for me, guys. It's a big deal for me. I'm a rising artist. This guy is putting me on, and I'm so grateful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Speaking of Sauti Sol, you recorded a tune with the band, but you did it in this big track.
It never came. The producer didn't know where with it. I didn't know. I didn't see it. I looked for it. It didn't materialize. I love the band so much. The band has a song with Ben Sol in his album, and I'm looking forward to working with the band also. I have 4 songs with Mike Kayihura. Mike Kayihura, if I catch you, just know. Mike Kayihura, we have 4 songs together. And I'm looking forward also to work with Kivumbi. We've been talking. I love Kivumbi so much. I love this music, guys.
And what should you expect from Bruce Melody and the collaboration?
More songs. Me and Bruce don't have only one song. We also have more songs. So guys, this is not the first song we're putting out together. Now I'm on his album, next is on my album.
What pushes you to love Rwanda and Rwanda?
Because you know, when you look at my name, DNMA, I'm Rwandese. They tell me I'm Rwandese. When I come here, I'm welcome so much. I love Sombe. I love Ikanombe. So what do I do, man? I just have to.
You should try it. Bruce, kuba Beni ashobora kuza akavuga Kivumbi King, akavuga The Ben, akavuga n'abandi artiste muri rusange. Bisobanuye iki ku muziki nyarwanda nkawe nk'umwanditsi dufite kandi
bisobanuye ko umuziki wageze mu karere ariko usibye ko nge nta birenze mbibonamo kubera ko internet niko ibigenza babonye amahirwe kuba twakira ibihangano byacu hanze n'abandi bakabibona nta gitangaza kirimo ni nkuko natwe tuza bibaho.
Bitwemereye gatoya yange kundayishyize